In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the maximum number of attempts reached error is a security lock triggered when TikTok's AI detects suspicious activity, like entering the wrong password too many times or requesting too many SMS verification codes. So whenever you open up TikTok, if you're trying to log in, on the error page, tap need help logging in. Once you go ahead and press that, let's just say I added another account, and then we'll just press select account to log in or anything like that, or press username and anything, or email and username. Once you press or mess up incorrectly, you can press that question mark, and then all you want to do is press recover your account. At this point, you want to enter your username or email and tap search. Instead of a standard login, choose a verification method like email or phone, and TikTok treats this as a security verification rather than a login attempt, which often allows you to jump straight into your profile. And a common cause of an error is the use of a private DNS like AdGuard or NextDNS. So what you want to do is go to your network and internet settings and just turn off your private DNS. If you have an ad blocker VPN active, turn that off entirely as well. Now, the final thing I'd recommend doing is going over to settings, going to general, then going over to iPhone storage, and then going ahead and typing in TikTok like so, and then basically offloading the app, which is also going to clear the cache too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about.